Happy Sunday. This is Junior TV with First Alert Weather and Storm Weather. We're tracking the potential for some wintry weather across much of the plains to the Ohio Valley, all the way up into the mid-Atlantic states for today and tonight, and all the way through Monday, as we have a strong low pressure system that is continuing to advance off towards the north and to the east. We also have a severe thunderstorm risk in the deep south, which could bring damaging winds, hail, and tornadoes to a large portion of Mississippi and Louisiana, and even parts of East Texas. And more cold weather is possible for later this. Let's go to the Doppler radar. We have a low pressure system, as I mentioned, is continuing to move off towards the east. You have snow occurring all from Nebraska to Kansas to Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, and northern Tennessee, and that will spread eastward as the day continues. Now onto the snowfall map, we have 5 to 12 and 5 to 15, especially in those higher elevations in the eastern coast, and in parts of Kansas also we have a higher potential snowfall totals, and even in the wider areas 1 to 5 inches, which is nothing to sneeze at. If at least for me, I live in the south, southern in North Carolina, and people tend to act crazy when you have 2 inches of snow, but some areas might be different probably. Ice potential. Now this will affect just about anyone, whether you're used to snow or not. It makes driving almost impossible. These areas in the lighter pinks and purples have potential for up to 3/4 of an inch of ice, and up to 1/4 of an inch in the blue shaded areas, and even a 1/2 inch possible in areas like Lexington, Kentucky, all the way to Louisville, larger metros. A severe weather risk for today and tonight. Have a risk of some severe thunderstorms. The highest risk in western Mississippi and northeastern Louisiana near Monroe to Jackson. Damaging winds, hail, and tornadoes are possible. So again, if you live in these areas, you need to be prepared to take cover if you are under a tornado warning. And I'm going to briefly mention the risk of wintry weather for later this week. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. There is some models hinting at a storm anywhere from Texas all the way to the East Coast, mid-Atlantic, and parts of North Carolina, the Carolinas, but nothing set in stone right now. So keep checking back for updates, and we will have updates as all of this continues as the week progresses. From Junior TV and Storm Weather, we'll see you back here tonight or tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone.